Hello, I'm Tom. I'm the Operations Director at Astutis. So why are Astutis best in breed in the marketplace? Well, we put the customer at the heart of everything that we do, and we start off with a consultative sales process, meaning we get to understand the customer, their needs, their challenges, and then our role is to make sure that we develop an innovative and effective solution at delivering health safety training and environmental consultancy to the customer. We're not afraid of embracing new technologies and working with the customer to make sure that we deliver this effective training. We've got a huge bank of consultants, and we look to hand select the best consultant for the client based upon their backgrounds, their experiences and their location to fit the customer and consumer's needs. And we combine all of that with an innate drive to continually improve and be the best at what we do. We look to effectively learn from challenges that we've had to overcome and review what went well and also what didn't go well. What's the biggest hurdle Astutis has faced over the last 10 years? Well, in the recent year, COVID has caused a significant challenge by far. 90% of what Astutis did was delivering face-to-face training and consultancy, and overnight that just stopped. The rate of change, the adaptation that we had to make to change, to be able to excel through that period has been phenomenal. We've had a fantastic team, we've been innovative and developed a number of exciting new methods and mediums that we wouldn't have explored before to the extent that we had done, to be able to survive, thrive and evolve throughout this time. How does Astutis stay ahead of the curve? Well, it all starts around focusing on our customer, our client. They have challenges and they need solutions to be able to be developed and provided to. What we do is we pride ourselves in taking those challenges, listening, understanding what's involved and then developing a tailored solution to them as a customer to ensure that their students, our students, have the best experience that they can have. And to do this, we need to be innovative with new technologies, new ways of doing things, challenge our existing methods of doing things and make sure that we have a fresh approach to be able to provide to the client the experience that we need to. We also have a huge bank of tutors. We pride ourselves on making sure that we select the correct consultant for the correct client based upon their background, their life experiences and the industry sector that they work within. How does Astutis adapt to change? Well, COVID has been a huge test to Astutis over the last year. It's forced us to change, reevaluate and evolve how we do everything from the ground up to be able to survive in the new COVID and post-COVID era. So we've had to produce new virtual courses, online plus courses, look at different ways of being able to deliver health, safety, environmental training and consultancy within this COVID and post-COVID era. It's forced us to digitize, review all of our existing systems and rework them from the ground up. Good customer service at Astutis. Well, ISO 9001 defines quality as meeting or exceeding your customers' and clients' expectations. All of that starts at Astutis with the journey of understanding what the client's needs and expectations are, what challenges that they face within their business, and then making sure that we develop a tailored solution for that client to have effective health, safety, environmental training and consultancy. Our ultimate goal, being the best at what we do, is to continue to aspire to being the best at what we do, but to delight, excite and enthuse not only our end client and customers, but each delegate, each student that we have that travels through our courses on their learning journey with Astutis. So some of the fondest memories in the past 10 years. Well, this is going to sound very strange given the current circumstances, but working together closely with everyone throughout this COVID era has been fantastic. The pulling together in the same direction, ensuring that everyone is on point, the amount of energy, enthusiasm and drive that everyone has put into this business over the last 10 years has been phenomenal. We all work really well together, ensuring that we meet our end goals, which is to excite our customers and our learners and delegates throughout their learning journey. So when being a consultant on a course, on a health and safety training course, you commonly come across a number of students on those courses that had been voluntold where an employer had sent them on a course and they were reluctant or resistant to be there as a starter. And taking a student from being reluctant and resistant, and sometimes even as far as combative, through to engaged, enthusiastic, and knowing and inquisitive, and knowing that there you've got an advocate of safety that's going to take what's been delivered as part of this training course back to their employer and be engaged and consultative in developing new measures to keep themselves and their other employees safe.